Hello, beautiful design lovers. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform houses into homes, one inspiring idea at a time. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today, because we're diving into something truly magical, creating an elegant farmhouse Christmas that feels both sophisticated and wonderfully cozy. If you're dreaming of holiday decor that whispers rather than shouts, blending timeless neutrals with rustic charm, you're in exactly the right place. Before we begin this festive journey together, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single seasonal styling secret. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about farmhouse Christmas magic. Let's talk about what makes farmhouse Christmas decor so incredibly special and enduring. This style embraces the beauty of imperfection, celebrating weathered textures, natural materials, and that coveted collected over time aesthetic that feels authentically yours. Think creamy whites, warm beiges, soft grays, and rich browns, colors that create a sophisticated backdrop for your holiday celebrations. The key is layering these neutral tones with natural elements like pine, eucalyptus, and burlap, creating depth without overwhelming your space. Farmhouse Christmas isn't about perfection, it's about creating a warm, inviting atmosphere where memories are made and traditions feel timeless and treasured. Your home's exterior sets the stage for the entire holiday experience, and farmhouse style excels at creating that picture-perfect welcome. Start with a classic evergreen wreath on your front door. Choose one with mixed textures like pine, cedar, and eucalyptus for that authentic, gathered-from-nature look. Add a simple burlap or cream-colored ribbon instead of traditional red for sophisticated restraint. Flank your doorway with matching planters filled with evergreen branches, wet birch sticks, and battery-operated string lights for a magical evening glow. Consider draping garland along your porch railings, securing it with natural hemp rope. The goal is creating an inviting entrance that feels effortlessly elegant rather than overdone. Your entryway is where the farmhouse Christmas magic truly begins, setting the tone for your entire home. Create a functional yet beautiful space by incorporating a rustic wooden bench with woven baskets underneath for storing winter boots and holiday shopping bags. Above the bench, hang a reclaimed wood coat rack or use vintage-inspired wall hooks for guests' coats and scarves. Add a large round mirror with a weathered frame to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Place a natural fiber runner or vintage-inspired rug to define the area while protecting your floors from winter weather. Finish with a galvanized metal bucket filled with umbrella and walking sticks, creating both style and practicality. Transform your living room into a serene holiday retreat by embracing the power of neutral Christmas decor. Start with your existing furniture as the foundation, then layer in holiday magic through textiles and accessories. Drape cream-colored cable knit throws over sofas and chairs, adding instant coziness and visual texture. Replace regular pillow covers with ones in soft plaids, natural linen, or subtle holiday patterns in muted tones. Create a stunning focal point above your fireplace mantle using fresh garland, white pillar candles in varying heights, and a few carefully chosen vintage ornaments in cream and soft gold. The secret is restraint. Let each element breathe while contributing to the overall cohesive, peaceful atmosphere. Your dining room becomes the heart of holiday entertaining, and farmhouse style creates the perfect backdrop for memorable gatherings. Start with a long wooden table as your foundation. If you don't have one, simply layer a burlap or linen table runner over your existing table. Create a stunning centerpiece using a reclaimed wood box filled with fresh greenery, white candles, and small glass ornaments. Mix vintage china with modern white plates for a collected over time aesthetic that's both elegant and approachable. Add cloth napkins in natural linen or soft plaid patterns, tied with simple twine or ribbon. Consider incorporating elements like pinnacones, small pumpkins, or wooden candlesticks to enhance the rustic charm while maintaining sophisticated appeal. The kitchen is where holiday magic happens, so let's create a space that's both beautiful and functional for all your festive cooking adventures. Start by decluttering countertops, then add holiday charm through carefully chosen accessories. Drape fresh garland along upper cabinets, securing with small battery-operated lights for a warm glow. Style your refrigerator with a simple wreath or magnetic chalkboard featuring holiday menu planning. Near your stove, create a coffee station using a vintage wooden tray, ceramic canisters, and a small evergreen arrangement. Replace everyday dish towels with holiday-themed ones in neutral patterns. Add a few glass jars filled with seasonal treats like pinnacones or cinnamon sticks to bring natural elements into your cooking space. Your family room should feel like the ultimate holiday retreat, a place where everyone gathers to watch movies, play games, and create lasting memories. Start by arranging seating to encourage conversation. Then add layers of comfort through textiles. Drape the sofa with chunky knit blankets in cream or soft gray, and add pillows in subtle holiday patterns. Create a cozy reading corner with a comfortable chair, soft throw, and basket filled with holiday books or magazines. Round your television. Incorporate subtle holiday decor like a garland draped along the entertainment center or small evergreen arrangements flanking the TV. The key is creating comfort without compromising the room's primary function as an entertainment space. Even your home office deserves a touch of farmhouse Christmas magic, creating an inspiring workspace that maintains productivity while embracing the season. Start with your desk area. Add a small evergreen arrangement in a galvanized container, keeping it low enough not to obstruct your computer screen. Replace your regular desk accessories with holiday-inspired versions, a wooden pencil holder filled with cinnamon sticks, a vintage-style desk clock, and a small radio for background holiday music. Create an inspiration board using a vintage window frame or chicken wire in a rustic frame. Then clip holiday cards, inspirational quotes, or family photos. Add a cozy throw to your desk chair and ensure good lighting with a rustic desk lamp. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook, and the holidays provide the perfect opportunity to create this intimate space. Choose a corner with good natural light, then add a comfortable chair. An upholstered armchair or vintage rocking chair works beautifully. Layer with soft textiles, a wool throw in cream or plaid, and a few small pillows for extra comfort. Create a side table using a vintage wooden crate or small round table to hold your coffee cup, books, and reading glasses. Add a floor lamp with a warm-toned bulb for evening reading sessions. Incorporate holiday touches through a small evergreen arrangement, a stack of holiday books, or a festive candle in a mason jar for ambient lighting. Your bedroom should remain a peaceful sanctuary during the busy holiday season, with farmhouse Christmas touches that promote rest and relaxation. Focus on textiles to transform the space. Layer your bed with white or cream linens, add a plaid throw at the foot of the bed, and include holiday pillows in muted tones. Create a focal point above the headboard with a simple garland or wreath, keeping decorations minimal to maintain the room's serene atmosphere. On nightstands, add small evergreen arrangements in mason jars or vintage containers. Consider incorporating battery-operated string lights around a mirror or window frame for gentle ambient lighting. The goal is subtle holiday charm that doesn't overwhelm this restful space. Transform your bathroom into a holiday spa retreat with simple farmhouse-inspired additions that create luxury without clutter. Start by switching out regular towels for ones in cream, soft gray, or subtle plaid patterns. Add a small evergreen arrangement near the sink choosing a low-maintenance option like eucalyptus or pine sprigs in a mason jar. Incorporate holiday scents through natural candles placed safely away from water sources. Create a vintage-inspired display using a wooden tray with holiday hand soaps, lotions, and a small decorative element like pin cones. If you have shower space, consider hanging eucalyptus from the shower head for a spa-like aromatherapy experience. Keep decorations minimal but impactful for the best farmhouse aesthetic. Don't overlook your garage during the holiday season. It's the perfect opportunity to create organized, beautiful storage that extends your farmhouse aesthetic. Install rustic wooden shelving units to store holiday decorations using clear bins labeled with farmhouse style tags. Create a gift trapping station using a folding table, pegboard for supplies, and baskets for ribbons and bows. Hang a simple evergreen wreath on interior doors, and consider battery-operated string lights for better visibility during dark winter months. Use galvanized metal containers for storing outdoor decorations and extension cords. The key is creating systems that work year-round while incorporating seasonal touches that make even mundane storage feel special and organized. Extend your living space outdoors by creating a cozy farmhouse Christmas patio that's perfect for entertaining or quiet winter moments. Start with weather-resistant furniture arranged to encourage conversation. Wooden benches with outdoor cushions work beautifully. Add warmth through outdoor heaters or a fire pit surrounded by comfortable seating. Incorporate lighting through battery-operated string lights draped overhead or wrapped around porch posts. Create natural decorations using evergreen branches and galvanized planters, adding pin cones and battery-operated lights for evening ambience. Don't forget practical elements like outdoor rugs, blankets stored in waterproof baskets, and side tables for holding warm beverages. Even in winter, your patio can become a magical extension of your holiday home. Understanding the farmhouse Christmas color palette is crucial for creating a cohesive, sophisticated look throughout your home. Base your scheme on warm neutrals, creamy whites, soft beiges, warm grays, and rich browns. These colors create a calming backdrop that allows natural textures and materials to shine. Add depth with darker accents like charcoal gray or deep forest green. Use sparingly for contrast. Metallic touches should be muted. Think aged brass, weathered silver, or copper rather than bright gold or shiny chrome. The goal is creating a palette that feels collected over time rather than purchased all at once, with each color complementing rather than competing with the others. Farmhouse style thrives on texture, and the holidays provide the perfect opportunity to layer different materials for visual and tactile interest. Mix smooth and rough textures, pair weathered wood with soft textiles, combine rustic metal with delicate glass, and contrast coarse burlap with smooth ceramic. Incorporate natural materials like pine branches, pin cones, and raw linen alongside more refined elements like vintage glassware or ceramic vessels. The key is balancing these textures so they complement rather than overwhelm each other. Start with larger textural elements like furniture and rugs, then layer in smaller accessories. Remember, in farmhouse design, imperfection is perfect. Embrace the beauty of weathered, worn, and naturally aged materials. Lighting transforms any space, and farmhouse Christmas design relies on warm, welcoming illumination that enhances the cozy atmosphere. Layer different types of lighting: ambient lighting from overhead fixtures, task lighting for specific areas, and accent lighting to highlight decorative elements. Choose warm-toned bulbs over cool ones that create the golden glow that makes farmhouse interiors so inviting. Incorporate candles throughout your home: pillar candles on mantels, votives on dining tables, and lanterns for outdoor spaces. String lights add magical sparkle when used thoughtfully. Drape them along garlands, wrap them around mirrors, or place them in glass containers for a subtle glow that enhances rather than overwhelms your carefully curated aesthetic. Creating stunning farmhouse Christmas decor doesn't require a huge budget. It just takes creativity and resourcefulness. Start by shopping your own home. Repurpose existing items in new ways, like using kitchen bowls as planters or transforming old sheets into table runners. Visit thrift stores and flea markets for vintage containers, candlesticks, and textiles that add authentic character. Create your own decorations using natural materials. Gather pennicones and branches from your yard, make garlands from dried orange slices, or craft simple ornaments from burlap and twine. Focus your spending on a few key pieces that will make the biggest impact. Then fill in with DIY projects and creative repurposing. Remember, farmhouse style celebrates the handmade and imperfect. Maintaining your farmhouse Christmas decor throughout the season ensures your home continues looking magazine-worthy from December through New Year's. For fresh greenery, trim stems regularly and keep them in water to extend their life. Dust decorative elements weekly, paying special attention to textured surfaces that collect more debris. Rotate perishable elements like fresh fruit or flowers as needed. Store battery-operated lights and decorations in easily accessible containers so you can quickly replace burned-out bulbs or refresh displays. Create a simple maintenance schedule, quick daily tidying, weekly deeper cleaning, and bi-weekly decoration refresh. The goal is keeping your beautiful displays looking intentional and cared for throughout the entire holiday season, ensuring your farmhouse Christmas magic never feels tired or neglected. The most beautiful farmhouse Christmas decorations are those that reflect your family's personality and traditions, while maintaining the style's signature aesthetic. Incorporate meaningful elements. Display vintage family ornaments alongside new neutral ones. Showcase children's handmade decorations in thoughtful ways, or create photo displays using rustic frames and natural elements. Add personal collections, whether it's vintage books, antique kitchen tools, or handmade pottery, into your holiday displays. Consider your family's activities. If you're avid readers, create book-themed vignettes. If you love cooking, style your kitchen with beautiful utensils and ingredients as decoration. The key is weaving your personal story into the farmhouse aesthetic, creating a home that feels authentically yours while embracing this timeless, welcoming style. What an incredible journey we've taken together through the world of elegant farmhouse Christmas decorating. From welcoming exteriors to cozy reading nooks, we've explored how neutral tones, natural materials, and thoughtful styling can transform your home into a sophisticated holiday haven that feels both timeless and fresh. Remember, the most beautiful farmhouse Christmas isn't about perfection. It's about creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere where your family and friends can gather, celebrate, and create lasting memories together. The key is starting with what you have, adding layers thoughtfully, and embracing the imperfect beauty that makes farmhouse style so enduringly appealing. I hope these ideas inspire you to create your own magical farmhouse Christmas this season. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more inspiring content. Give this video a thumbs up if it sparked your creativity, and share your own farmhouse Christmas creations in the comments below. I absolutely love seeing your beautiful homes come to life.